everyone, you are welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking on my videos to watch. If you are new on this channel, I appreciate you for clicking on the subscribe button. And if this is your first time of joining this family, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and be a part of this family. Please remain consistent on my channel. In this video, I shared with you how I extracted oil from peanut or groundnut. I will drop the measurement I am working with, and you decide to work with what you have at your own disposal. Thank you. Keep watching.
Here picking all unwanted particles in the groundnut. Next, process frying of the groundnut.
Can you see it? It is getting almost ready. When it gets to the point that we can do this and peel out the back with ease, it means we're done. But at this time, it is not ready. All the peanuts are not well fried.
What next? Peel the groundnut and take out the chaff. It should look like this. Next, take it to a dry grinding mill and grind it as this. It looks just as juicy. You can use a good blender for this, please. Let's get started. I'll need water and the grounded peanut. I have washed my hands already. Add a little quantity of water into the peanut as seen. Start mixing as seen here. Add little more quantity of water and continue mixing. It's coming out. Keep adding water in bits while you mix, but be careful not to add much. Adding little drops at a time is safer. It's still hard. Add little more water. Repeat this process till oil starts coming out of it. Can you see our oil It's coming out now. Let's continue the process.
It is not easy. It is not easy to make it. But we must make it.
See our oil. Welcome back. Let's transfer our oil into another container. Continue with the process till all the oil is extracted. We have another batch of oil. Can you see how soft it is now? This shows we've extracted a good quantity of oil. At this point, you've gotten almost all the oil. We'll use this in our next video. And this is what we got.